Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel Adoroboye. So today's video I'm going to show you how you can make up to 500,000 naira on the #1 e-commerce website in the world. Yes, make up to 500,000 naira in the #1 e-commerce website in the world known as Jumia. Yes, known as Jumia. Jumia is one of the best e-commerce websites you could ever come by if you are in Nigeria, for they are available in many African countries like Morocco, Kenya, Ivory Coast, even South Africa, Egypt. They are also available in Nigeria, as you can see Nigeria here, and they are one of the best you can come across for their highly reliable. And most of the time you actually buy one thing on Jumia, you don't know that you can actually make money on Jumia. So today I'm going to show you the step-by-step approach if you can make money on Jumia. There are 3 basic ways you can make money on Jumia. I'm going to show you in this video, so ensure to watch to the very end. Do not skip any part. Make sure you watch every part and follow every details in total, because this is what you need in order to make at least 500,000 naira in Nigeria. So let's get started. As I said earlier, there are 3 ways you can make money on Jumia. The first way is to actually sell on Jumia. Yes, actually sell on Jumia. You can be a seller on Jumia. So when you come to Jumia website here, let me show you one thing. For example, this is a Jumia website. When you come here now, you just go down here, you will see that there's a seller information. This shows you that most of the product on Jumia is actually listed by people. Yes, people like you and I, they come to Jumia and they sell on Jumia. Like now, the name of this seller is Barry K. His name is Barry K, and you can click on see more information about it. Let me show you that these people are people that you and I can relate with and are making money. They're your friends, your family, people around you, your neighbor. They won't tell you they're actually making money on Jumia, but in the real sense that they're actually making huge amount of money on Jumia. Like now, you have sold this for 42. You have sold a lot of this on Jumia. You can actually see more of his profile. When did he join Jumia, and some of the things he has listed, some of the comment people have said about him. So he has spent up to 2 years in Jumia. He has make up to 10,000 sales. One thing that is not everybody that will come back to review product, but based on his record, he has make up to 10,000 sales on Jumia. You too can make up to this. Yes, 10,000 sales selling your product and services on Jumia. Haha, this is one of the best way you can make money. So another way you can make money on Jumia is to actually be a Jumia affiliate. So Jumia affiliate, for example, what you have to do is just to get some link. So Jumia will give you some link in which you can actually do. So I'm going to show you how you can go about the link, how you can post this link to friends and family, how you can just click on the link, go back to Jumia, buy anything on Jumia, and you make your money. Let's say for example you come to fashion category. So let me go back to Jumia. So here now, this is the fashion category. Okay, let me go back to the main program, main app, main website here. So let me click on the main website just to show you everything. Like now, this is a fashion category. So when you come to fashion category here, for instance, and you decide to sell anything, let's say clothing, anything you refer people to buy as an affiliate marketer, you will make up to 8%. 8%. Yes, you make hopefully 8%. Now the commission you make on everything that people buy on the fashion category is 8%. So if you make up to like 20 orders, you have extra 2%, and if you refer new people, you have 1%. So the total you can make on fashion alone is 11%. So fashion is one of the highest, followed by watches and sunglasses. The every other one has their own commission rate, but the best that sell most is phone and tablet. We Nigerians we like using phone, so phone and tablet that sell. So you can actually, if you are anything you are selling, shoe, clothes, anything you are selling of such that is legal, so Jumia is the best place you can go to in order to sell your product, in order to make money and to sell your product. Another way you can make money on Jumia is known as Jumia JForce. Yeah, Jumia JForce. So Jumia JForce enable you to be able to sell on Jumia. This part, when I say sell on Jumia, doesn't mean bring a product on Jumia. It's actually selling what is already on Jumia. As I said, Jumia have 100 of product in which you can just promote, and you will earn money, you earn commission, and you will earn money. And this program enable you to also be your boss. So in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how you can actually start all this and to make money. And as a JForce, you have all the time in the world to have fun while making money, and you get trained. So I'm going to also show you how you can get trained. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so let's dive into them one by one. So how can you get started as a Jumia affiliate? Okay, so sorry, as a Jumia seller, let's start with Jumia seller. So I'm diving in, so please watch to the very end. Do not skip any part. So you just come to sellercenter.com.jumia.ng. I'll put the link below. Click on it. So I'm going to click on register to sell on Jumia. There are basically 4 steps you are going to follow. So just come down, let's click that. And selling on Jumia, there's no listing fee. They won't collect any money from you, no maintenance fee, just the standard commission fee that you pay and the fee, shipping fee. So if you decide to make them to ship it for you, just pay. You can actually deliver the goods by yourself if you want to. And with this, you can make money, 500,000 naira. So click on sell on Jumia. So there are basically 4 steps you are going to undergo. Now, you are going to either you put in your account the shop name here, so you can just put your shop name here, and you're going to choose, are you an individual? So if you're an individual like me, or many people are individual, just click on your individual, then put your own name, or if you have manager, put the manager name, the phone number, and your own everything you have to put, just put here. Then you come to the seller business information, you tell them about your business. So since you have registered as a individual, there's nothing much you can put in the business information here. So when you click on the business information, one thing I must tell you is that in this seller account, you must be able, all your password must have at least a capital letter, a lower letter, and a numeric number. So you're going to click on I have agreed and accepted the contract. Then you're going to click on continue. Then you're going to come to seller information. You can actually skip this seller information, you can skip this bank account, but because you can be able to do them later. Then when you are through with all this information, a very simple information you can just put in, you'll be brought to this place. Yes, so here they'll tell you that your account has been successful, so they will send an email to confirm that you're an human being, so not a robot though, and the email you use is original, so they'll send it to your email. So here is one of the email I've received after signing up. Now they'll tell me that, hello, you are welcome to this I've been registered, so I'm going to have access. So I'm going to click here to get access to my own dashboard. Get my own dashboard as a seller on Jumia. So yeah, I'm just going to log in. As you can see, my account has been verified. I'm just going to click here on the login. Okay, so I'm going to log into my dashboard here. Okay, so here I am. So this type of dashboard I will give to you as a seller on Jumia. So please don't forget, there's still other 2 ways you can make money on Jumia, which I'm going to show you step by step. So ensure you watch to the very end. Do not skip any part. Yes, do not skip any part. So this is one of the first way. If you have product on ground, you can actually make money on Jumia with this. You can either decide to ship your product by yourself or help people to ship your products for you. As you can see, all you have to do is just very simple. So this is your own dashboard whereby you can put your own product and make your own sales. So you can also, let's say for example you have a product here, you can just click on create a new product. For example, let's say I have a shoe that I sell, I'm a seller, you create a new product, you put the name of the product here, then let's see, you first enter the product name, then you search for it, or better still, if it is not on sales product category, you have to search for the product. So there are so many things you can do here to go to just add a new product. And if you have any question about this, so just put it in the comment box below. I'll be glad to answer you, very glad to answer you. So you are going to, like for example, if the thing, maybe the product you want to buy, let's say for example is let's say you want to sell want to sell like Techno Spark 4, Spark 5 or anything, just put the name and search for it. So Jumia will going to give you more details about it. So let me just show you. For example, let's say I want to search for Techno. Just want to sell Techno, I'm going to search on Techno, and you see if it is available on Jumia catalog. Okay, as you can see, let's see what information did we get here. Okay, still loading. Alright, so as you can see, these are everything on Jumia that is available based on Techno. The picture should show, but I think it's due to network that is not show. So you can just click. So these are every other product. Give you details of people, of the likely amount of the product, like Techno L3. So people are selling it for around 14,000. So you can actually click on sell yours. Then you'll be able to upload and put the amount based on the common price people are selling it. Because if your price is too ridiculous, it will be turned down. Are we together? So with this, you can actually have access to your order, then to promotion, then you have reports of the analytics going on in your Jumia as a Jumia seller. Now the second way you can make money on Jumia is to actually be a Jumia affiliate. Yeah, Jumia affiliate. So to be a Jumia affiliate, as I've told you earlier, is very simple. Just come over to the website known as kol.jumia.com. With this, you are going to have access to your own dashboard as a Jumia affiliate. So everything is being organized. You can sell on Jumia, be a Jumia affiliate, and also help people to place order on Jumia and make money. So for you as a new person, just click on sign up. But I'm going to sign in here and show you how things is being done. So I'm going to sign into my Jumia affiliate and explain to you step-by-step process on how things is being done as a Jumia affiliate. So here you have your tab here. You can actually advertise have order here, you have your report here, you have support. So let's say for example I want to advertise here. So is there an offer? Let's say Jumia have an offer, probably an offer that are undergoing presently and they are presenting for people to come and buy. So you can actually come and Jumia offer here, then you choose your country. I'm a Nigerian, so I'm going to pick Nigeria here. Alright, then presently Jumia is undergoing at 18th of June. They're celebrating their anniversary. So if there's any offer, just click on it. For example, let's say I'm going to click on beauty here, then on web. So I'm going to click on web here. Where probably you want to advertise on Facebook. The best way you can advertise is on Facebook. Create a Facebook group. I will show you a Facebook group that I've created and I advertise on it. I'm going to show you step by step. Just get a banner here, download it and put it on Facebook group. Let's say for example you don't want to sell a particular offer, you have your own specific offer. Let's say I want to sell this let's say this beautiful gown here. I want to sell it. All you have to do is you just get the URL. So this is the URL. You copy it. You can do this on your phone definitely. You copy the URL, then you come to your you come to your Jumia affiliate link here. Then you click on Jumia e-commerce here. Then click on the country you are. Apparently I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to click on Nigeria. You can click. So Jumia is available in all that. So all you have to do is just paste in the link here. So when you Ctrl V or paste in the link, you can actually put a sub affiliate ID just to track and put many code track. They just copy this, copy. So this is the URL you're going to send to people. So immediately if I put this URL on my account, for example, let's say I come to this group here and I just place the URL on this my Jumia group I have created. Used to make many money. Just see when I create it, the banner is going to appear. The banner to Jumia will automatically generate the banner for you based on the link you have put here. So the banner is going to appear here. You see the image of this picture of this okay, what is that? You see the image. This first image is going to appear up here. You see the image. So you don't need to download any image. So people so when people click on this link, immediately they click on this link, they'll be land to this page here. So immediately they purchase, you're going to receive money here on your affiliate program. This is one of the best ways. So if you want to make money, you can promote phones, promote clothes, promote anything. Create a Facebook group, call it Jumia, maybe Jumia affiliate. When you go to Facebook and just search for Jumia affiliate, you see many affiliate group coming out. You can just sell anything, but remember that anything you are selling must be affiliated to Jumia because you are actually promoting Jumia product. Okay, now the last way you can make money on Jumia is Jumia JForce. As I said earlier, Jumia JForce. Okay, all you have to do is you just go to jforce.com. As I can see, this is my own dashboard here, and then this is my commission that I just made. Although I'm not so very active, I was paid last month, so I just make this little commission now. So I intend on making more though. So this is a passive income. I don't stress myself. So all I have to do as a Jumia JForce is just to go to jforce.jumia.com, then log in. Until you log in, you get access to your own dashboard. So every of the program have their own specific dashboard, Okay, so let's go into that. Now what you have to do is you just get any product. Let's say for example people want to order this product, you just copy the name of the product, get some script here, some of the pictures, download the picture, then some the description. You can create a Facebook group like this one that you can see in here. Now let me just refresh this group, so it's going to open for you. So this is the Facebook group I have created, selling my own product on Jumia as a Jumia JForce, Jumia affiliate, and as a Jumia seller. So this is one of the way you can make money on Jumia. Okay, let me refresh I want to show you the Facebook group I have created. So okay, this is not mine, so I'm just going to come straight to the group. Let me delete this and just go straight to the home page of Facebook homepage. So as that is loading, so this is one of the way you can make money. I want to show you how I actually create my own group. So I'm just going to come down here and show you the group I created. Okay, so let me show you. I want to show you this. Facebook is still loading though. Okay, here it is. Just come down a bit here and search. See, if you want to create a group, just come here, click on group on your phone or your group, your phone or your laptop. So you can just search on that. So I'm going to just come straight here. So this is a shortcut I have here. So I'm going to click on groups here. Click on groups. So I'm going to have access. So this is the Jumia online store that I've created. This is one of I'm managing. So that what I did is just to come up here, copy the name, the amount, put the amount, specific amount. Please, you should not change the amount. Please don't change the amount. The amount as a Jumia JForce, make sure the amount is what people are seeing on the website. So you just come to like now this is my Jumia as you can see, I'm getting list of people, list of people. So as a Jumia JForce, all you have to do is just, as you can see, this one of the products I've actually promote here. Just copy the name. So this is the name, this is the amount. I put some key features, then download the pictures and put it here. So whenever anybody wants to buy this, they just message me. So if I just come to my messages, see many messages that I have gotten, and okay, for you to make more sales, I'm going to put a video on how I explain how you can actually sell your product on Facebook Marketplace. That's one of the best places you can make more sales. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so if you like this video, kindly like, subscribe and share. If you have any question, ask me below and start making your own cool money. Thank you so much.